Are you thinking of buying a camper van? Stop, don't do it until you've read the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide. 108 pages of information, tips and tricks, insider knowledge from the industry, total cost of ownership, where can I go, what can I do? All these subjects and more are covered in the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide. But building a campervan is a pretty involved process, so it's important you know how to check that the people you're choosing are the right people who really understand, work to a high quality, and are going to give you a product you can enjoy for years to come. We've been building every aspect of campervans for many years: upholstery, sewing, cabinet making, plumbing, electrics, the pop-top roofs, and so we have a lot of knowledge of everything that goes into the product. It's really important to choose people with great aftercare as well, so that once you've bought the vehicle, it's going to get supported. If you want accessories fitting, if you want servicing and repairs, routine maintenance, it's all covered. I'd like to send you a copy of the Essential Campervan Buyer's Guide free of charge. Just click the link in the description, fill in your details, and we will post it to you. Let me know what you think. I'll speak to you really soon.